When you remove your light bar from the packaging, you'll notice there is 3M adhesive on the back side of it. You're going to want to take a razor blade like this and get between the plastic sheath and the 3M adhesive. Fold it over so that you can grab it. This will allow you to be able to pull the plastic sheath off of the 3M. Next, you're going to want to align the light bar onto your grill so it lines up with your DRL headlights. You'll notice that the end of the light bar goes to where the grill chrome tapers off, right at the very end. If you do this, you'll have perfect fitment on both sides. Next, you're going to want to peel the plastic sheath back every 6 inches as you align the light bar on your grill. If you do this, you will have a perfect fitment and you'll be very satisfied with the results.